Okay, hello, welcome to this session. In this session, we shall be looking at how to add sections. Sections in Wikipedia, in our normal parlance, we call it headings. You see that in any text that you are writing, you organize them into headings, subheadings, and the like. So in Wikipedia, we call them sections. As you can see in this particular article, we have this as a heading. The text of the heading is quite different from the body, the text in the body. And you can also see that it is underlined, indicating that this one is a heading. This one too is a heading, then Bamvesa is a heading. Now, in any article that you have, you need to organize your work into headings or sections like this. If you cannot think of any heading at all, but the heading for reference, that's the Bamvesa, is key. So if you create an article, if you cannot think of any heading at all, you should create a heading or section called Bamvesa. Because when you add your references, they will automatically fall under that. Now, how do we add sections? Let's look at this article of Rashid Pelpo. There's a section about his work. That's Tuma. Hope I'm right. So let's create a section for that. So as usual, before you do any editing, you click on edit. So let's assume that we want to add a section here. So you place your cursor there, press enter. Usually I want to leave a space in between sections. So I leave another space again. Then I type the section, the section or the heading name. Let's see, Tuma. Just a minute. So I want it to be here. So I type it, let's see, Tuma. Usually I want a space in between the sections. So this one, I want to make the section. You see that the text should also appear like this one, and it should also be underlined. I see we learned how to bold text earlier on. So some people would rather decide to make this text bold. No, we don't make sections or headings bold. It has its own format. So you select the text, you come to the top, you see that by default, the system is treating it as a paragraph. So you need to tap on the paragraph and then tell the system that no, this is not a paragraph, it is a heading. So you tap on it, it will make it a heading. So that is one way of adding a section. So then when you're going to type under the section, you just tap on enter, then you can begin to type there. So assume I want to add another section, and I think we call it politics. I'm copying the title here. So we want to create another one here. So the first one, we type the text before we made it a heading. Another way is you make the space there a heading. You tell the system that no, I don't want a paragraph to be here. I want a heading to be here. So you click on paragraph, tap on heading. You see that the underlining is already there. Then you type or you paste your heading there, and that is it. Of course, I have to hammer again that you need to create a section for reference. That is Bamvesa. Yeah, I think there's a third way of adding a section. Can I find another one? Okay, let's see this one. But I thought Mambialam usually comes at the initial stages of the article, whichever way. So this one, we type the text. So the cursor is at the end of the text. Then you go and tap on paragraph, then click on heading, then it will make it a section. So these are the three ways by which we can add section. Of course, you need to publish your changes before it will be effected. So what did I do? I added a section. Let me again hammer on this edit summary thing. Some people usually after when they are going to publish, they just say I edited. Editing is too broad. You need to be specific about the editing that you did. I added a section. I bolded a text, I added a reference, I added data box, among others. But don't just see I edited. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.